and taxes, even electricity bill, and this dollar increment, of which although it's coming down now, but we're not seeing the manifestation in market and everywhere that Tinubu doesn't mean well for Nigeria. Do you think he's right?
See, according to what your question now, and what that man said, that man is complete 100% right. Tinubu is a scam to Nigeria. You see, if Tinubu is not a scam, why will we be increasing things when Nigeria is suffering? You are telling Nigeria that Nigeria will be good. They should have patience. Have patience, and you are increasing the life, the hardship of Nigeria. You are telling Nigeria to have patience. It's a scam, man. Renew hope from change. From change to where? See, let me tell you one thing. Tinubu na jaye. See, Tinubu has storage. When they follow him, the past United States of America president. Is that not jaye president? He don't care about me and you. If he care, you're not going to increase things when things are hard. Tinubu is a confirmed. He's my president, though. He's a Nigerian president. We can call him president. But the language of his presidency is killing Nigeria. The policy is bad. How will Nigeria be suffering every day? And you are continuing to tell Nigeria, have patience. And you are increasing the hardship of Nigeria. And have patience, now one chop. Come, that man is APC man. And it's really right. Nigeria, 95% of Nigeria is fed up of Tinubu's systematic economic policy. Demonic policy. We can't suffering and smiling. In more than suffering and smiling. And you say you be Jagaba. Now you don't do Lagos now, they chop Salah. Me ain't chop Salah. What will happen? Why Nigeria they suffer like this? Buhari say better part Tinubu. Buhari will say na Mungu. Tinubu na senior Mungu.
Is it not too early? To judge you.
What is it not too early? Earlier is better. You came with a language that after change, hope, now renew hope. All is calm. All is motherfucking scam. The federal government of Nigeria is a scam department to make Nigerians. And Nigeria will wake up one day and fight them out of there. Because we can't be sitting down and be hungry and we are hearing the story of the presidency. Now, ordinary electricity, it don't turn out to candle. They turn electric to candle. Government magic. Government magic. This past magic, this magician. But they know their days are numbered. And God is watching them. You can't just be sitting there, you say dollar don't come down. What about the food? Okay, in our food, dollar don't cost. Now make food cost. Dollar don't come down. Why food don't come down? See, the language is zero. It's a complete zero. We don't tire to carry any more of their shit. The shit of the government is getting out of hand. We don't tire as in Nigeria. We don't even get where to go. You say that jackpot, you can jackpot like that. Everybody go don't move now. But jackpot, you have to need some money. Where is the money? The government now turned us to Mugun. And now they be Mugun. They are Mugun now. Say dollar come down, food go up. See, tell them, because now you people be journalists, let them know we are not with them, we are not happy with them. Their system is nothing to write home about. They are scam. We are tired of their story. Every day you hear story. Every day story. All story is not positive. Their story is negative. But you and I, now God is sustaining me and you now. Nigeria is not even, Nigeria don't even know. They don't even care for you and I. They don't care. One man told me that Tinubu does not care for Nigeria. Say Nigeria does not vote for him. And if you look at psychologically well, you see that language is true. Because Tinubu, in your mind, down. He said we punish Nigeria. But not we go punish. Now your people then go punish. Because God not go punish me and you. God bless you.
Yeah, and Governor of Lagos, Sanwo, has come and said that Nigerians, they should not curse their leaders. Cursing their leader, it might still come back to affect them. So is he right?
That language now confirm complete zero. Odo. Why you don't curse your leader when your leader don't move forward? When you are hungry, you don't curse your leader. If you are hungry, your papa go to abyss. You don't go respect your papa now. You don't go tell your papa. You don't go even send your papa message. He say, okay, we'll clap for them. You are hungry, you are dying, make a clap for Tinubu, make a clap for presidency, clap for government. The government is a scam. So nothing They deserve more than abuse money tonight. Because they promise and they fail. How will you go? Maybe they pray for people who fail you. People won't make you not to live. I should pray for them. I can never pray for people. I pray for myself and I pray for God. They are not human beings because they are not reliable. Somebody that is not reliable deserves no prayer. Somebody that is competent, that have the feeling of human being like him or her, it deserves prayer. But who does not deserve, you don't even know what me and you eat. You don't even know what I rice 100 million for a cup. He don't send you message. He doesn't deserve any praises. So Sanwo na pocket boy. Don't be 8 years they go so. You know how many money you don't shop. His generation don't go hungry. So what does he say? Patawo for who? They don't deserve any praise.
They be singing that the word that's coming out from my spouse.
Your word can never change your character. See what you can do, you can do. Somebody can never change your action or your attitude because you want to say you don't do well. Good morning, God bless you. That one and zero. You can do what you want to do with your heart. Your heart might be your life. Your heart might be the decision. The heart of the government is wrong. It's rubbish. They don't deserve any praise except they change their faculty thinking. They change their mind. They ruin their mind and they change it in a good for the millions of Nigeria. Then they will deserve praises. But now, I don't think they can accommodate any 1% praises because the land is full of hungry, banditry, kidnapping, killing. All is not good. All is not good, so we are not happy with them. I can tell you categorically truth. Me, I'm not happy with them. See, they deserve no praise from me.
So there's no, but at least would you give them benefit of that? That something might see.
Benefit of time that it's only God knows tomorrow, and I pray that God. See, God has already done everything for you and I to live. But those in control, they now seize the opportunity to make you and I to go suffering. They have the capacity to make Nigeria live. But now, see what we are seeing. Every day you see, hardship is increasing every day. And you are asking me to give them time. How many times? Before you know 1 year don't go, you go see the year, have patience, have patience. Dollar come down, food increase, sufferness, you increase now electricity, high, everything high. So let us forget about them. Let God intervene for you and I. You and I, life is most important. God will intervene for you and our life. And our life will be better than them. Because they believe that they are the government, they have the opportunity to seize the million, the dollars, the petrochemical of Nigeria money. They suck on like water when they carry bread. Put up for inside tea, when milk food. You put up a mouth, all your but now, only the chopper. One day they will come up for their hand. They have to do the right thing in the right time. Because Nigeria is watching and looking to say Jagaba and Lion. In where I say we don't come here to come and see money. We will come here to come and make Nigeria live. And now they keep Nigeria not even live. Nigeria don't even see road again. Nigeria is just living under the mercy of God. When God already arranged everything, people could enjoy. Now, you see one person, 60 billion. This morning I was hearing radio. They said that humanitarian minister, the EFCC say they discover something billion and millions of dollars. Where will those money going? Why are we punishing ourselves in the name of say we be government? The government itself is number one scam. The number one scam. Nigeria does not believe in government because Nigeria government is not where to write home about because they are not sincere. They are not sincere. If the Nigerian government is sincere, you and I are not going to walk up and down like this. Every day they will talk story and their story not manifested. It's zero talk. So I'm tired of Nigeria government. We are tired of talking when no get ahead. I know that God mercy and they keep me alive. Not government. Government is a fucking liar.